Across the sleeping sea, shadows drift like memories, returning quietly. The wind speaks through the silence, a language old and deep, carrying forgotten dreams beneath the waves that sleep. Could not contain. Black clouds gather slowly above the distant shore. Every fading footprint leads me back once more. The night unfolds its secrets in whispers soft and low, like lanterns in the darkness, with nowhere left to go. Echoes in the water, circles in the rain, holding fragments of a life that time could not contain. Moonlight paints reflections on glassy, restless tides. 1,000 lost confessions where the hidden sorrow hides. The stars become my compass. The current pulls me through. Every silent moment still carries traces of you. Echoes in the water, circles in the rain, holding fragments of a life that time could not contain. Morning waits beyond me, a glow behind the gray, but some fires keep burning long after they've decayed. I gather all the pieces, the ones I couldn't save, and cast them to the horizon to drift beyond the waves. Echoes in the water, circles in the rain, holding fragments of a life that time could not contain. Silver light is fading. The sea becomes the sky. Every wave a beyond the final